What's fueling the buzz around BTAI? Number 1, momentum and volatility, no clear fundamental catalyst. Intraday surge and speculative spike. Earlier today, BTAI rallied over 10% on unusually high volume, approaching 6.6 million shares, with no clear technical signals backing the move, suggesting sentiment driven trading, possibly a short squeeze or social media hype. Past momentum episodes. Similar sharp rallies, for example, plus 18% on August 4th and plus 13 to 14% mid August, have occurred following trial milestone or FDA-related news. Number 2, FDA activity, key catalysts on the horizon. Pre-sNDA meeting scheduled. BioXcel is preparing for a pre-supplemental NDA meeting with the FDA on August 20th, 2025, aiming to expand IGALMI, BXCL501 for at-home use in treating agitation tied to bipolar disorder and schizophrenia. Preliminary FDA feedback received. On August 14th, BioXcel disclosed they've received initial positive feedback ahead of this meeting and plan to provide an update next week. Clinical milestones in IP strength. The SERENITY At-Home Phase 3 trial has now completed all patient visits, with top-line data expected in August, a likely major catalyst. The program also includes favorable DSMB recommendations, reinforcing safety signals, and recent patent approval adds strategic backing. Number 3, trader sentiment, short squeeze speculation, and community buzz. Short squeeze dynamics. BTAI's low market cap and volatile nature make it susceptible to rapid squeezes. Heavy volume without institutional trading signals points toward retail-driven rallies or short covering phenomena. Community enthusiasm. Traders are drawing parallels with earlier meme-like biotech runs. There's growing speculation around potential partnerships or buyouts, fueled by optimistic sentiment around IGALMI's potential and FDA momentum. Caution about financial health. Yet, concerns linger over cash burn, dilution risks from recent fundraising, and hefty operating losses, points regularly raised in analyst discussions and investor forums. Summary table. Current landscape and key players. Driver. Rallies and volatility. Daily swings of 10 to 18% suggest speculative trading and momentum plays. Driver. FDA pre-sNDA activity. Details. Meeting scheduled for August 20, positive initial feedback received. Driver. Clinical catalysts. Details. SERENITY Phase 3 trial complete. Top-line data expected imminently. Driver. Short interest speculation. Details. High volatility in a low float environment fuel squeeze narratives. Driver. Strategic speculation. Details. Traders eye partnerships, licensing, or potential M&A. Driver. Dilution and cash burn. Details. Weak financials and recent fundraising raise dilution concerns. Final thoughts. BioXcel is squarely in the binoculars of speculative traders and biotech watchers right now. The combination of inbound top-line Phase 3 data, an FDA pre-sNDA meeting, and a visual short squeeze setup has created a potent narrative. However, it's still a high-risk play. Financial fragility and sensitivity to trial outcomes mean stakes are high. Whether you're chasing momentum or evaluating long-term potential, staying agile and informed is key.
Okay, so the stock is ultimately up 29.68%. So this is the post-market session of August the 15th. Yeah, this is what we're looking at right now after printing the highs of, I don't know what that price is. This was as of Tuesday the 12th. It pulled back and it's bouncing now. We have $7 upper projection. Yeah, it actually has printed 8.08. We pointed out that not long ago when we covered this. So strength is expected to remain in place up till Tuesday the 19th, when it might go into another contraction. No guarantee that that will be the case. It also has a down projection of 1.4. 8.08 is upper projection there. Do we have anything further up, we'll check the 1 minute chart. Okay, so here, this weakness that started to print that it got a bounce from today didn't go far enough on its 21 period moving average. It did. It went deep into the 10 period moving average. So even with a gain of 30%, they are still, we can see this immensely robust, first immensely negative, so seriously negative first derivative, indicating that strength, there's still some resistance there. Yeah, there's still some risk there, even though it's on firm ground. Firm ground is a very strong support going by these the strong trend mode and its 21 period moving average. That's this moving average here. This one here, yeah, this one, this moving average. However, you can clearly see that this is a 10 period moving average. It still has some inner demons to clear out, going by this very trend mode. I mean, trend mode is 0.25, so this is a negative. So this is extremely bad, extremely negative. So yeah, this is how things are at the moment. I don't think we'll be able to see any upper projections here. We might be able to see, but let's just go and scan through the 1 minute chart. Here we have 5.98, 6.03, 6.12 currently in play. Nothing here. 6.66, 6.82. Nothing. We'll check the 2 minute chart. Yeah, 8.35 currently in play here. 8.02, 7.48, and indeed lower projections. 5.48, it's closed out when the market closed. 5.61, 5.83. Yeah, okay. So we saw 8.35 yesterday. We saw 8.08. 8.35 came up again as of that was actually a repeat as of today. This is second, yeah, this is just being reiterated again in more than once in one session. Let's see the 3 minute charts, whether we have even more ambitious projections there. 5.44 not in play. I mean, in play right now. 5.73, 4.98. 10 minute chart at 5.83, nothing. Okay. So we've seen it's the projections are not okay. We could just check the daily chart. Higher prices. Okay. Okay. Well, we can still look at this. Expected to remain in place up till Wednesday the 17th. But this is an extrapolation that's going all the way towards the middle of next month. The margin of error is quite high. Yeah. So okay, we have 9.56 for the proper projections. They're not okay. 10.26. I mean, we want to see some really high, some premium projections. 10.01, not exactly that much of a premium as such. Okay. Yeah, so just see what you make of BTAI, and thank you very much for watching this video.